I need a wee now. I'm excited. Oh, that's a lot of inches. Let's go, baby! Let's go!
We've got a team deathmatch for you today, and my team has plans to attack the right flank, so I'm going to go lone wolf to the left. The apartments are right next to their spawn. I better be careful. I'm surprised and confused that none of them came this way, but that does mean their backs are mine for the taking.
Hit! Hit! Woo! Sorry.
Brad's running his VSR today and will choke the enemy team's movement options.
You got me right on. Just on top of belly button. Mate, you got me.
I've respawned and it looks like they're slowly learning to look out for me. Surrounded, I listen to the footsteps around me.
Oh, hit. Nice.
I don't know if you did get me.
Yeah, I got you like something on it. It was soft, so it's alright, mate.
I hit his pocket with something in it. I'm not surprised he didn't feel it. At least now we can start having a good fight.
They're watching this side now, they're keeping an eye on it. So it's going to be difficult. Oh, it's dropping. Got him.
I've got a quick question for you. Does your local site allow for throwing knives? I have some sneaky plans in the works. With our team primarily taking the right flank, a contingency of the opposition has managed to sneak between us. Brad moves in.
Are you sure? Oh, sorry. Oh, hit. You alright, mate?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Alright, good. Sorry, that was a reflex. No, I just reflexed that. Sorry, mate. Well played, well played.
After respawning and flanking behind the compromised position, there are only a few stragglers.
And the one time you're not running a sniper, there's a dude there that I can't hit.
Juggling this far right here, trying to get these guys on. Remember that other tower is that? New tower?
New tower.
Left-hand side of that.
Thank you! I see him!
Just screaming like a fucking banshee.
I don't really have a plan. He's moved back, he's moving back. Underground bunker. Get him, lads.
Well, looks like I've got no idea what I'm doing with these limited mags. If only there was a way to extend their capacity.
Fuck it.
Oh shit.
Band? Oh, hit. Oh, I was lining it up and all. Nice shot, mate. Nice shot.
Thank you for watching to the end. Remember everyone to stay honest and have fun.